Hi, I'm Arthur from Bias Bespoke, and I'm gonna tell you about our Mars thread. So this one is Mars 15. It's really heavy, beautiful and shiny thread for top stitching. Usually I stitch leather with this, and heavy fabrics also you can use that one. And this one is Mars 40. Mars 40 usually I use in a bobbin. So if you make something like furniture or something really heavy, you can use in a bobbin same Mars 15. So this thread very strong, and that's impossible to break. Don't even try. That one is strong also, but not strong like Mars 15. So let's talk. And before I need to tell you about machine. The machine you should use the walking foot machine, like this one is Juki, for example. And the size of needle you need to use 120 or 140 or 160. They otherwise will not go through the hole. This thread will not go to the hole. And you cannot use in a regular machine. Maybe you can. I didn't try it. So let's start, and I'll show you a beautiful stitch you can make with this thread. This one, as you see, you can see it, right?
Yeah, we see it well.
All right, thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.